For this demonstration, we will create two filtering rules. The first one will allow to open the flows from network IN to my DMZ. To do this, I use drag and drop between the rules to be able to copy values from one to the other. I can also do this from the Objects panel, and in this case, the first rule is created. My second rule, which will be used this time to prohibit the flows from a group of IPs that I call malicious. I'll be able to move these two rules to the top, and thanks to multiple selection in the column header, I'll be able to activate several of them at the same time. Here I see that my group is empty, but I can stay on the rules editor to edit it directly and populate it with the desired object. I now have a filtering rule. We now look at the monitoring side of it, and I see on the dashboard that there's an alarm which concerns a port scan. Here I see my source IP. I can right-click on it and then go to all the logs and then filter directly by this criterion. I add the target column, and I see that there is this object there, so I can drag and drop this value into the search criteria. And look by deleting the source that this destination IP was indeed scanned by a single IP. I go back to the alarms, and by right-clicking on this IP address, I transform it directly into an object, and I put it into the malicious group. So in my configuration, my filtering rule will benefit from this group. Now, if I want to restrict the port range, I can make a multiple selection of objects and drag and drop directly from the multiple selection to the corresponding cell.